I can follow him more. Yeah, and I shouldn't be up here. This is a bad spot to do this. Dang, you're going a lot faster than I thought you would. You did that whole thing. Oh my God. He's crazy. You're crazy, Kate.
We wrecked. He ran into me.
That's why we won't be uploading this week. Or, you know, you might have a stockpiled video.
I may.
Whatever.
Whatever.
We were gonna ride a chair down a hill.
We still can't do that.
No, we can't. Shut up.
He ran into me.
Yeah, I ran into him. I blame a spider. It was all because of a spider. Not on the road, but we were asked to go kill a spider. We went to go kill that spider.
For a free soda.
Yeah, for a free soda.
Probably can't hear us over the AC. I don't know though. Let's keep going.
And so, we rode over there, and I, like...
He was getting over because of a moped
that was coming up from behind me, and he didn't see me turning.
And he slammed straight into me.
Yeah, slammed straight into him. And you know what's ironic, people? Wear this. This is very nice to have. I didn't wear it. It's ironic I had it in here.
And
Also,
he cut up his head.
I tore up my hands. I also had these nice gloves. Ironic as well.
Yeah. I, of course, wasn't wearing a helmet or hand pads.
But he's alright.
I'm fine.